Imagine cruising down an endless highway surrounded by breathtaking landscapes with complete freedom to explore at your own pace. Sounds like a dream, right? What if I told you that this dream could be more affordable and accessible than you ever imagined? Renting an RV could be your ticket to an unforgettable family adventure, but there's a catch. Navigating the hidden costs and packing pitfalls can turn this dream into a logistical nightmare. But fear not. We're here to reveal the secrets to a seamless RV rental experience. Stay with us, because what you discover next could save you hundreds and elevate your journey to new heights. In recent years, the allure of RV travel has surged. Families yearning for freedom, flexibility, and an escape from the ordinary are turning to RV rentals like never before. But here's the twist. The surge in popularity brings with it a web of challenges. Unexpected costs, crowded rental seasons, and perhaps most daunting, the task of efficiently packing an entire household on wheels. Why does this matter to you? Because the stakes are high. Without the right knowledge, your dream trip could quickly spiral into an expensive ordeal. But what most people don't know is that with a few insider tips, you can outsmart these common pitfalls and transform your trip into the journey of a lifetime. First, let's tackle the elephant in the room: the cost. Renting an RV can seem prohibitively expensive at first glance, but with strategic planning, it doesn't have to break the bank. Did you know that the time of year you choose to travel can drastically impact your rental cost? Off-peak seasons, typically late fall and early spring, can offer rates up to 40% lower than peak summer months. Additionally, consider the type of RV you choose. A smaller Class C RV might be perfect for your family and easier on the wallet. Keep an eye out for rental platforms that offer discounts for extended rentals. A week-long trip could save you more than you think. But choosing the right time and RV is just the beginning. Next, we'll dive into the art of packing, a crucial step that can make or break your trip. Now, onto packing, a task that might seem straightforward, but often isn't. One of the biggest mistakes travelers make is overpacking, turning the cozy confines of an RV into a cramped and cluttered space. Here's a surprising tip: prioritize multi-purpose items. Think about gear that serves more than one function, like a collapsible bucket that can be used for washing dishes or storing laundry. But here's what most people overlook: the importance of weight distribution. Uneven packing can affect the RV's balance and fuel efficiency, a costly oversight. And don't forget to include a toolkit and emergency supplies. They're lifesavers in unexpected situations. But what happens when you're on the road? That's where the real adventure begins, and we're about to explore how to navigate it like a pro. Picture this: you're miles away from civilization, under a vast canopy of stars, and you realize you've left a crucial item behind. It's moments like these that can either become cherished memories or travel nightmares. That's why thorough planning and packing can't be overstated. Start by creating a detailed checklist weeks in advance. Consider the essentials you can't live without and prioritize them. And here's where it gets critical: the weather can change unexpectedly. Packing for all climates can save you from cold, wet nights or sweltering days without shade. Remember, each item you bring should enhance the journey, not weigh it down. As you plan your route and stops, factor in local attractions and potential restock points. This is where true adventure begins, with every challenge offering a chance for unforgettable experiences. Let's delve into the key revelation that could redefine how you see RV travel. Here's the most transformative insight for your RV adventure: flexibility is your greatest asset. Plans may change, roads might be blocked, and campsites could be full. The magic of RV travel lies in its adaptability. Think of your itinerary as a flexible guide, not a rigid schedule. Be prepared to pivot and embrace the unexpected detours. They often lead to the most rewarding experiences. Whether it's a hidden gem of a campsite or a local festival you stumble upon, these spontaneous moments enrich your journey beyond measure. By keeping an open mind and a willingness to adapt, your RV adventure transcends from a mere vacation to a life-changing exploration. And now, with all this newfound knowledge, what can you do with it? So, what does this all mean for you? An RV adventure offers not just a trip, but a tapestry of stories woven through spontaneity, flexibility, and discovery. By mastering the costs, packing efficiently, and embracing the journey's twists and turns, you're not just traveling, you're creating lifelong memories. Whether you're a seasoned road warrior or a first-time explorer, these insights will help you navigate with confidence and curiosity. If this video inspired you, subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Hit the like button and share your RV stories or questions in the comments. Let's keep the wanderlust alive together. Subscribe for more travel tips and share your RV adventures.